Now there's another topic which a lot of mothers also have issues with कि poop का color ये होता है, तो आपका क्या है राय इसमें?
Color of the poop.
Yes.
Very interesting topic.
हर न्यू पेरेंट की सेम स्टोरी होती है. Just as you've rocked your little one to sleep, they wake up again. From growth spurts to tummy troubles and wet diapers, or sometimes just wanting to be held. Parenthood is filled with growing pains, sleepless nights, and everything in between. ऐसे में न्यू पेरेंट्स के लिए a pediatrician becomes more than just a doctor. They become a guide, a confidant, and a constant source of reassurance through every minor and major milestone. That's why today on Mammy Poco presents Beyond the Bump, and we have with us a Mammy Poco expert who is one of India's leading pediatricians, Dr. Rajiv Chabra, to guide us through the initial journey of parenthood. My name is Parul Kakad, and welcome to Beyond the Bump.
Thank you very much indeed. It's a pleasure being here. And I must appreciate and admire the efforts being done by Mammy Poco in terms of bringing the Japanese technology, which is adapting to Indian babies in terms of snugly fitting because their anatomy is different. So, in bringing this innovative technology to India, which is apt for, I'm actually thankful to them.
Thank you, Dr. Chabra, for being with us today. I actually agree with you on that. Mammy Poco really does make life easy for parents and babies both. I think all the parents watching this podcast are going to agree with our insightful discussion today.
See, parenting is an ever-changing experience. अगर एक बच्चे के साथ जैसा बिहेवियर रहा है, दूसरा बच्चा जो है सेम ना बिहेव करे. So parents have to keep changing. It's like examination paper आ रहा है without having a syllabus on. So it's a very varied paper जिसके लिए पेरेंट्स को अडेप्ट होते रहना पड़ेगा. So कोई एक रेसिपी बुक नहीं है पेरेंटिंग की कि अगर एक बच्चे के साथ उन्होंने ये फॉलो किया है या उनके नेबर्स ने ये फॉलो किया है या उनके रिलेटिव्स में से किसी ने ऐसा किया है तो वो अडेप्ट रहेगा उस बच्चे के लिए भी.
True. I think आपकी exam वाली analogy perfectly captures the theme of this episode, which is growing pains, sleepless nights, and everything in between. Let's begin with the most common question, doctor. Parents often worry, is my baby growing well? Am I missing something? What should I be really looking for?
Let me tell you something. Growth और development दोनों different aspect हैं. By growth we mean height, weight, head circumference, which is being measured by doctor on every visit. Milestones are the things which are objective and they have a age range. कोई बच्चा किसी एज पे सोशल स्माइल करेगा, कोई बच्चा किसी एज पे सिट करना शुरू करेगा, कोई बैबल करेगा, कोई कू करेगा, वॉक करने का. पेरेंट्स गेट स्ट्रेस्ड आउट कि जी हमारे पड़ोसियों ने बोला है दैट माई चाइल्ड इज़ नॉट एबल टू वॉक एट दिस स्टेज. वेल देयर इज़ एन एज रेंज फॉर एवरी माइलस्टोन. हर माइलस्टोन की एक एज रेंज होती है. सो माई रिक्वेस्ट टू पेरेंट्स इज़ नॉट टू गेट स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, especially when neighbors or relatives are pointing out कि आपका बच्चा ये नहीं कर रहा है. So if a pediatrician has examined a child and that they are not worried, then that should allay the anxiety of parents from a development perspective.
I want to share my experience because I have 4 kids, and with each child, I feel that their growth and again, you said the developmental milestones have been completely different. One from another. And initially with my first child, they used to tell me, oh, he's so thin, but he was very tall. And then the other one was shorter in comparison. And then I started comparing both my kids. But then over the years, I realized that हर एक की ग्रोथ जो होती है वो अलग होती है, हर एक का माइलस्टोन जो होता है वो अलग होता है. Each of my children have started walking at a different time, crawling at a different time. Sometimes they even say, oh, because your baby is on the heavier side or chubbier side, that's why he's going to grow or walk slower. But comparatively, if I had to compare 2 of my girls, both of them were chubby, but one started walking at 11 months and the other one started walking at like 14 months. So I don't think weight also matters in that aspect. Maybe too a little bit, but it also depends on how active and everything your child is. But talking about this, what is your intake on sleep schedule when it comes to like after the growth and everything? How important is sleep today in both the mother and babies?
Yeah, so मैं आपके पहले उससे चालू करता हूँ वेयर यू सेड कि बच्चों की ग्रोथ रेट, उनके माइलस्टोन्स का अचीवमेंट कैन बी डिफरेंट. सो जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि नेबर्स और उनके साथ कंपेयर ना करें, इवन इन द सेम फैमिली
Correct.
having 2 kids can behave differently.
Yes.
So there should not be any comparison कि ये उंगली बड़ी क्यों है और ये उंगली छोटी क्यों है, क्योंकि there are many other factors which play a definite role. One of them is genetics, second one is environment,
Yes.
and third one is obviously nutrition. रहा सवाल डीप स्लीप का, ऑब्वियसली अगर बच्चा ढंग से सो रहा है, व्हेन द चाइल्ड इज इन डीप स्लीप, पेरेंट्स वुड हैव फ्रूटफुल स्लीप एट द सेम टाइम. एंड फॉर अ चाइल्ड टू स्लीप in a deep sleep mode, there are many other factors which include specific bedtime rituals, dimming the light, that plays a
Yes.
significant role, cozy environment, and much more importantly, अगर बच्चे को सेल थ्रू करना है थ्रू आउट द नाइट, उनको जो डायपर पहन रहे हैं, दैट हैज़ टू गिव अ कम्फर्ट. इट शुड नॉट बी कॉजिंग एनी रैश, इट शुड नॉट बी कॉजिंग एनी लीकेज, इट शुड नॉट बी कॉजिंग एनी इरिटेशन, so that child can go into deep sleep. And when kids go into deep sleep, obviously parents will be less stressed.
Correct.
And will be fresh early in the morning.
Completely agree with that. Truer words have never been spoken. The small things really add up to a lot. And when you spoke about the comfort and just how comfy everything, like the diapers should be, over my parental journey, initially, I started off using cloth diapers because I was told that regular diapers cause rashes. Only to learn much later, maybe, I think for the first 6 months, I was using cloth diapers and I had so many sleepless nights because I would not sleep well. And if I didn't sleep well, my baby would not sleep well. And it's like a reverse role play, right? Like it just one affects the other. And the moment I started using diapers, my motherhood or parenting game completely changed.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and plus having a correct room temperature. And today parents have that habit of over dressing the child or just, double layering, triple layering, कि ठंड लग जाएगी, room temperature ऐसे होना चाहिए. I feel like all of those things also matter today.
So, science is ever advancing.
True.
I think आज की तारीख में जो डायपर्स हैं उसमें नेचुरल एक्सट्रैक्ट्स भी अवेलेबल हैं, जिसकी वजह से रैश नहीं होते. और बच्चे को अगर डीप स्लीप होएगी तो ऑब्वियसली उनका माइलस्टोन्स भी टाइम पे अचीव होंगे एंड पेरेंट्स वुड हैव a fresh sleep as well.
Okay, doctor, some parents have that issue कि just because my child keeps waking up in the night, is it only got to do with him or her being hungry, or what is your take on it?
So a child who is waking up can have various reasons. The most common reason is obviously want of feed.
Correct.
What we call as demand feeding, which means जब भी बच्चा रोता है, the first instinct from a mother's perspective should be
To feed the
fill
child.
the tummies of the child. पहले breast feed try करेंगे. अगर फिर भी वो चुप नहीं हो रहा है, then we need to find out other causes. But more commonly than not, बच्चे का क्योंकि ग्रोथ इसी स्टेज में सबसे ज़्यादा हो रही है.
जी.
एक एवरेज इंडियन बेबी का वेट होता है 2.5 to 3 kg.
जी.
1 साल पे जाके 10 किलो हो जाता है. So 3 to 4 times weight gain during first year is the significant part. किसी और एज में 4 गुना वेट गेन किसी भी साल में नहीं होता है. लीव बिहाइंड 4 times. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि 7.5 किलो गेन इन एन ईयर नेवर हैपन्स अगेन. सो इस दौरान न्यूट्रिशन प्लेज अ सिग्निफिकेंट रोल. अगर बच्चा प्रॉपर डीप स्लीप में है तो देर इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी, अगर आपका पीडियाट्रिशियन भी बोल रहे हैं कि आपके बच्चे की ग्रोथ ठीक हो रही है इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेट, इन टर्म्स ऑफ ओवरऑल गेनिंग माइलस्टोन्स, देन deep sleep is the essence for their growth.
That's so true, doctor, because I'd like to share my experience on this. When my kids were younger, and everyone would tell me, na, कि he's not growing well or he's growing too slow. वज़न कम है, इसका क्यों ऐसे हो रहा है, maybe you should switch to formula or try breast milk. But I've had a combination of both. 2 of my kids were breastfed, one of them had a combination, and one was formula fed, all because of my routine and everything that came into play. But over the experience, I also realized that one of my kids, even if I breastfed her, she slept through the whole night. I did demand feeding for her. So she would sleep for a good 5-6 hours and I wouldn't go and wake her up and then feed her. But then there were the other ones who woke up to the point. 2.5 घंटे मतलब अलार्म, अभी मेरा बॉडी क्लॉक भी वैसे सेट हो चुका है, that it just wakes up I wake up by default. And that made me realize that demand feeding is necessary. Don't stress so much on why your child is not waking up or why your child is waking up too much. If your child is waking up too frequent, with my experience, I realized, like you correctly said, that breastfeed your child or feed your child first to see if that's the issue. Then other surrounding issues come up. And that completely changed my entire parenting game, my motherhood game. Even my doctor told me, like you correctly said again, birth weight triples or 4 times, in the first year. If you get that calculation right, then you're set. And I think you don't need to go to 100 people or go to the internet to look at things. Just go to your pediatrician and just check with him and listen to them, please. Doctor, एक और common worry जो होती है न्यू पेरेंट्स को, जो ज़्यादा परेशान करती है, वो बेबी के फीडिंग स्केड्यूल को लेकर होती है. पेरेंट्स इसको लेकर ऑफन कंफ्यूज रहते हैं कि उनके बेबी को इनफ न्यूट्रिशन नहीं मिल रहा है. आपको क्या कहना है इस बारे में?
फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट इज डोंट गेट स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, क्योंकि स्ट्रेस से नेगेटिव हार्मोन्स जनरेट होते हैं जिससे मिल्क प्रोडक्शन और कम हो जाता है.
जी.
सो यू नीड टू कीप अ पॉजिटिव फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर फीडिंग द चाइल्ड. उससे गुड हार्मोन्स बनते हैं जिससे मिल्क प्रोडक्शन अपने आप एनहांस होता है. एंड द मोर द चाइल्ड सकल्स द बेटर इट इज़. सो बच्चा अगर डिमांड कर रहा है तभी फीड कराएं. अगर वो डीप स्लीप में है तो नॉट नेसेसरली यू नीड टू बॉदर द चाइल्ड बाय वेकिंग अप एवरी 2.5-3 hours.
True.
एज लॉन्ग एज द ग्रोथ इज बीइंग मेंटेन्ड. अगर बच्चे का वेट गेन ठीक हो रहा है, पूप नॉर्मली कर रहा है, वीवी नॉर्मली कर रहा है, एंड ऑल अदर माइलस्टोन्स आर गेटिंग अचीव्ड ऑन टाइम, मदर्स शुड बी रिलैक्स्ड.
The moment you said that the stress hormones get released into the milk, I remember meeting a lactation expert at that time, and she told me that, Parul, happy moms make happy babies. And I never understood that statement till that time, because it's not only what you eat, it's also what you release, the energy you release, how you feel, how your baby feels around you. Today, when we talk about the mother's instinct or the gut instinct or just the love jo hota hai, we feel so loved with our mother, no? The moment we go into their lap and just like lie down, we know कि हाँ ठीक है, बच्चा माँ के पास पहुँच गया है. So I completely relate to that fact, and it's so reassuring because often tired parents just know what to do in certain situations, और जब कुछ समझ नहीं आता तो we end up calling our pediatrician multiple times. I mean, I feel like sometimes I call my doctor more than I call my husband sometimes. So it just becomes a thing. So I'm sure you've experienced this firsthand as well.
Absolutely. As a pediatrician, we ought to be prepared of all these frantic calls from parents.
Yeah.
कितने एग्जाम्पल दे दूँ. मैंने अभी बच्चे को देखा. आई रीअश्योर्ड देम दैट चाइल्ड इज़ एब्सोल्युटली नॉर्मल. घर जाने के बाद उनको या तो बच्चा पीला दिखने लग गया कि भाई जॉन्डिस दिख रहा है, कुछ रैशेज ऐसे दिखने लग गए, या बच्चा क्राई कर रहा है. एंड देन एंड एक स्ट्रेंज क्वेश्चन आया कि जी पूप का कलर ग्रीन हो गया है एट द मिडल ऑफ नाइट. I said green, brown, yellow, all these are normal color of stools, so you don't have to panic at all. So yes, this is part and parcel. And as a pediatrician, we are faced with young moms.
Correct.
You see, हमारा प्रोफेशन ऐसा है जिसमें हमें हमेशा यंग मदर्स ही मिलेंगी जिन्होंने अभी न्यूबॉर्न बेबी को डिलीवर किया है. And for them, it's a first experience. So we need to reassure them. This is part and parcel of our duty and job.
So डॉक्टर, हमने न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में तो बात कर ली है. नाउ देयर इज अनदर टॉपिक विच अ लॉट ऑफ मदर्स ऑल्सो हैव इश्यूज विद, कि पूप का कलर ये होता है. तो आपका क्या है राय इसमें?
कलर ऑफ द पूप. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक. सो जब बच्चा पैदा होता है दे पास ब्लैक कलर्ड स्टूल विच इज कॉल्ड एज मेकोनियम.
यस.
उसके बाद जैसे जैसे फीडिंग बेटर होता जाता है द कलर ऑफ द पूप चेंजेस फ्रॉम ग्रीन टू येलो टू टैन कलर. There are so many myths in the society कि passing green color stool suggest infection, या अगर ये कलर है CD है, मशी है, म्यूकॉइड है. So there are many myths in the society. मेरे को ये बोलना है कि as long as the color is not white, cementy white, I think all these other colors are normal.
Okay, that's good. With this experience, how has your diaper game changed over the 28 years of you being in pediatrics?
Science is ever advancing.
True.
So शुरू में जो डायपर्स आते थे they were not very comfortable. जो आज की तारीख में अवेलेबल हैं दे आर क्वाइट स्किन फ्रेंडली इन टर्म्स ऑफ रैश नहीं होने देते, स्नगली फिटिंग है, उनमें कुछ नेचुरल एक्सट्रैक्ट्स मिला दिए जाते हैं जिस वजह से अगेन रैशेस की संभावना कम हो जाती है। दे हैव डीप एब्जॉर्बिंग कैपेसिटी। एज अ कंसिक्वेंस बच्चे को जो मैंने देखा है कि आजकल दे आर गोइंग इनटू डीप स्लीप एंड साइंस हैज़ प्रूवन दिस फैक्ट। कुछ डायपर्स के साथ ऐसी स्टडी हुई है जिसमें बच्चा डीप स्लीप में जा रहा है। एज अ कंसिक्वेंस उसकी ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट दोनों ही अच्छे होते देखे गए हैं।
Okay, doctor. So now that we've finished all the serious talks, let's jump into a fun segment. I'm going to ask you some questions and you just tell me if it's a myth or a fact.
Okay.
ठीक है? Breastfeeding should be continued till 1 to 2 years of age.
Breastfeeding should be continued till definitely first birthday, and if mother wishes to, then ideally second birthday as well. Studies have proven that अगर बच्चे को जितना लंबा समय तक ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग होता है उसका डेवलपमेंट अच्छा होता है, उसका इन्फेक्शन से प्रीडिस्पोजिशन कम होता है एंड ओवरऑल ग्रोथ भी बेटर पाई गई है। सो आई वुड एग्री कि जहाँ तक मदर ब्रेस्ट फीड करा सके उतना बेटर है।
That's a good thing to know. Okay. Next question. If my baby sleeps too much, something is wrong.
Well, that's a myth. My answer goes to that if a child is sleeping comfortably, being adequately fed, उसकी ग्रोथ ठीक हो रही है, डीप स्लीप में जा रहा है and comfortably sailing through the night, I would say कि don't bother the child.
Okay. Next question. Newborns are born with poor eyesight.
Well, that's again a fact. Let me tell you, जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो उसका विजन 6/60 होता है, या दूसरी उसमें 20/200 बोलते हैं। उसको पेरेंट्स का फेस एकदम ब्राउन फजी सा दिखता है, इवन इफ मदर इज कीपिंग द फेस एज क्लोज टू द चाइल्ड्स फेस। तो मदर को कैसे वो समझते हैं, या मदर को स्मेल के द्वारा ही वो जान पाते हैं कि या दे आर क्लोज टू मदर। बट अदरवाइज एज द डे पासिस बाय, समवेयर अराउंड 1 ईयर जो एडल्ट का आई साइट होता है 6/6 या 20/20, वो 1 साल पे आता है।
Okay. That's so nice because I always wondered, I would actually take a paper, I used to draw polka dots and I used to take it to my baby's face and I used to keep pulling it away to see what the distance, because जैसे उनकी नज़र हट जाती थी, I know कि इसके beyond they can't see. So that's how I would test my child's eyesight like growing up.
Mind it, what you are saying is an interesting fact. उनका कलर डिफरेंशिएशन बाद में आता है एंड ब्लैक एंड वाइट का डिस्टिंक्शन पहले आता है
जी।
So that's a right way of checking visual acuity as well.
Okay. Yay. Okay. Next question. Every time a baby wakes at night, it's because they're hungry.
Well, that's a no.
Both. It can be a myth and fact both.
But yeah, most common reason is want of feed.
Correct.
If the child is being fed properly, उसके बावजूद भी रो रहा है, then obviously they need to check diaper. It should be comfortable and there should not be any sogginess or rash, जो कि आजकल के डायपर्स के द्वारा नहीं होता है। So you need to assess the child in terms of feeding first and then diaper next.
That was all wonderful information, doctor. Now let's end the segment with some quick and useful tips for the parents. What would you like to tell everybody that's watching right now?
Excellent. So what I would suggest is there has to be certain bedtime routines and rituals which are to be followed, which means टाइम हैज़ टू बी पर्टिकुलर। एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे ही बच्चे को हमेशा सुलाएं
जी।
लाइटिंग शुड बी डिम, एनवायरनमेंट शुड बी कोजी, एम्बियंट टेम्परेचर हैज़ टू बी नॉर्मल। सो जनरली ये देखा है कि पेरेंट्स टेंड टू ओवर रैप द चाइल्ड। सो मेरा सजेशन टू ऑल मदर्स इज़ कि बच्चे का टेम्परेचर कोरिलेट्स विद मदर्स टेम्परेचर। सो जितनी लेयर मदर्स ने पहन रखी है उतनी लेयर ही बच्चे के लिए करें, ना तो ओवर रैप करें ना अंडर रैप करें, क्योंकि जितना ठंडा होना ठीक नहीं है उतना ही ओवर रैप करना भी ठीक नहीं है। सो इट शुड कोरिलेट विद मदर्स टेम्परेचर एंड कॉटन के कपड़े पहनाएं, सॉगीनेस प्रिवेंट करें एंड लास्टली डोंट स्ट्रेस योर सेल्फ आउट। पेरेंटहुड इज़ अ टाइम वेयर इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू कम अगेन, सो दे शुड एन्जॉय ईच एंड एवरी मोमेंट। डोंट बी overburdened by the stress of motherhood. And as I always mention, childhood never comes twice.
Gee.
So let the whole environment be positive.
Beyond the Bump is running a very special contest and we'd like you to autograph and leave a little message for all our mammies.
Thank you.
So one lucky mammy gets to have this hamper and special message. And if you'd like to know more about it, continue watching and participating and keep watching the show. Dr. Chabra, thank you so much for coming. As a memory of you being here on Beyond the Bump, we'd like to get your autograph for Poco Chan.
Oh,
if you
wow.
can just sign this for us, please.
Thank you.
Dr. Chabra, thank you so much for such clear, full insight. I think people around everywhere are going to sleep peacefully tonight. As a token of appreciation from Mammy Poco here, we'd like to hand over a nice hamper. And that is for you.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming on Beyond the Bump.
Thank you. And I would like to add, trust yourself. It's as simple as that. Don't focus too much on what you hear and what you read online. All parents have a unique journey, and the joy lies in experiencing each phase of this journey as it comes by. And remember, you are never alone. That's why I really appreciate a platform like Mammy Poco WhatsApp community, where parents can get monthly updates to track their baby's growth, learn more about the products they need, and get updates about the latest offers. It's like having an assistant on hand, so you can focus more on your baby and less on the small worries. Thank you once again.
That was wonderfully put, Dr. Chabra. That's all from this episode of Mammy Poco Presents Beyond the Bump. Remember, when babies are happy, parents can be too. See you next time.